Welcome to the installation guide for the Spraymaster Classic Area Unit. Today we will show you how to safely and properly install the unit step by step. Each Spraymaster Classic Area Unit will include everything that you'll need. The main unit, the unloader, partially attached, the water filter assembly, the cover, half or full, the mounting brackets, the hose management system purchased with the unit, and the accessories that you purchased with your unit. Choose a safe location to mount the Spraymaster Classic Area Unit, near drainage, power, and water. Mount brackets 48 to 60 inches above floor and ensure they're level. Locate mounting brackets and stabilizing sheet. Use all pre-punched holes and secure with corrosion-resistant anchors. Lightly fasten the stabilizing sheet to confirm spacing, then tighten. Attach the rubber shock-absorbing feet securely to the mounting frame. With assistance, carefully lift and place the Classic Area Unit onto the wall-mounted brackets. Have a certified electrician hardwire the service disconnect per local electrical codes. If a hose reel is included, install it 6 to 12 inches below the system and connect the 3/8 inch whip hose to the reel fitting. Mount the water filter approximately 36 inches above the floor. Secure the assembly to its mounting bracket. Detach the canister, then remove the contents. Make sure to lubricate the O-ring. Then reinstall the filter. And lastly, hand tighten the canister. Measure the distance between the float tank inlet and the water filter outlet. Cut the PEX tubing carefully. Attach one end to the float valve inlet and the other to the filter out port. Connect the water supply hose to the in port and flush debris before the final attachment. Properly connect the unloader to the quick connect fitting. Double check all the connections and ensure that there are no leaks before powering up. Follow any lockout tagout procedures and comply with all the local codes. Once complete, power, prime, and test the system. Each Spraymaster Classic Area system is equipped with Chemical 1 and Chemical 2. Just ensure that Chemical 2 and Chemical 1 drop tubes are in the correct container. And that's it! Your Spraymaster Classic Area system is now safely and properly installed. For detailed installation instructions, please visit spraymaster.com or contact our technical service team. Spraymaster, engineered for cleaner and safer workspaces.